We use a ton of AI to make the show, but we're also mimicking how people feel about AI and how it expresses itself to us. And because of the nature of the play, because it deals both with artificial intelligence and on many levels what is real and not real, it's essentially building this whole world of the play, both from a literal standpoint, but also the larger figurative universe. The original intention was to have these sort of interstitial moments in between the main scenes within the play that sort of represent how AI is working, and it's mysteriously sort of driving the play and also responding to the play. That allows you to not just experience it, but to be inside of the thinking, really, of how AI is developing the play itself is a big thrust for the performance. At the beginning of the performance, it's very literal. You literally see a giant iPhone standing in front of you and you hear the little clicking and clacking and the typing, and it's essentially very familiar. But as the play moves on, the icons within that app, which represents the AI in the prologue and in the first scene, starts to really develop a mind of its own. And it starts to scan different books, and then it scans different journals. And some of the journals it's scanning start to show up later in the performance. And then it starts to almost seemingly talk a little bit about the play itself that you're watching, all the way until in the final scenes, it really takes on a life of its own.